My name is Sorem. I'm with Keller Williams Real Estate. I need to talk with those of you that might be having challenges making your home monthly mortgage payment. I was talking with some homeowners yesterday, and the reason I decided to come and make this video for you today is just to give you some quick tips on how to handle things. First of all, if your circumstances have changed where you could afford your payment and now you can't, there are a couple strategic things that you should know. Before you talk with your lender, I think talking with a realtor is a good idea so you can make an assessment. Is my goal to stay in my home, and does it look like I'm going to have the financial legs to be able to carry on with the mortgage payment? Or have my circumstances shifted so much that the best thing for me to do is probably to try to sell it? Well, let me explain why. The first option you have if you're thinking of retaining your home is what we call loan modification. And in a loan modification, you're actually reapplying for a loan. It probably will be with the same lender. You're going to try to get the lender to change the terms of your loan so it's affordable. To do that, though, you're going to need to re-qualify. So you may have gotten the mortgage a year or two or three ago with stated income, stated asset. When you reapply, you're going to need to prove that you have the income. So it would be our job, if we were going to try to do that, to make sure you have the very best picture to present. So they'll want to reapprove you for that new rate. Now, on the other hand, let's say that you've had some adverses in your work or maybe health issues, and normally when people are in trouble, it's not on purpose. Usually it happens by accident. And let's say that you've decided it's actually unlikely you're going to be able to stay in the home. Well, then the picture we want to present to the lender is probably sort of a worst case scenario. We're going to explain why it probably is not going to work out for you to remain there, why your financial situation has changed, not due to your fault, but just due to circumstances, and it's in the lender's best interest to agree to sell the home for less than it's worth. So on one hand, for a loan modification, you're trying to actually make your financial picture look as rosy as possible so they'll approve you for that loan. And if your situation's changed, you want to look as conservatively as possible so they'll approve a short sale. They're two different things. So if you start one way and you change your mind, it can be very, very problematic. If you have questions, and I would not be surprising if you did, please give me a call. I'd like to try to help as many people that choose to remain in their homes do so. But if you need to sell, to try to help you make that as a best experience as we can. You can reach me at 1-888-284-2056, or you can visit me online, www.beautifulglendalehomes.com.